even managed to get stuck in the middle of herd of elephants, which was sort of exciting. Let's use this word.
Here we have a situation where we have a breeding herd of elephants made up of old females, young females, and the younger males. And what's likely happening is one or more of the females in this group have come into oestrus, or what we say, people know it by as coming in on heat. And the breeding males have come in to breed with the females. And so what happens is a lot of excitement happens. Obviously, the breeding males are competing with each other, so you see a lot of wrestling and jostling for position to see who has the right to breed. And also, if they've kind of sense that there's another younger male who is reaching adolescence and got a lot of hormones going through, they'll also at this stage get him out of the herd.
Okay, these then moved. Oh, they're going at each other, aren't they? No. The herd is just massive. They're just awesome.
These two are fighting.
Yeah, these two are fighting, these two are fighting. I think, is it possible that these are two herds? Just,
No,
or is it just the males?
It's the males that causing. They're coming in and sorting out the other ones. Which of course then causes a lot of commotion with the breeding herd. If there was a female in there that's quite young, maybe it's her first time being mated with, obviously it's a very traumatic experience. So this is why you get this confusion and excitement and movement going.
Literally.
Which is why I hung back. As you can hear, I kept the engine running, kept my distance.
Please.
Oh my gosh.
But luckily, yeah, we were with Riz. He managed to actually get us out of that. Thank you for that. We really appreciate that.